My name is Ed Garcia Conde, and I am in the Urban Studies program for my BA at CUNY School of Labor and Urban Studies. I was born and raised in the South Bronx, so coming back to school here at CUNY School of Labor and Urban Studies has been a really wonderful experience. I hadn't been to school in 30 years almost, so it was a bit of a culture shock in the sense of not just being at a public university for the first time, but also in time. You know, things have changed completely different from when I went to school in the 90s in college. But it's been a completely positive experience. Everyone has been welcoming, supportive, from the faculty to the staff to students. Everyone seems so heavily invested in you succeeding that it actually made me emotional. Like my first few weeks, I'm like, oh my God, like where was this when I was in school? Where was this type of support when I was in high school, in college, the first time? It wasn't there, like at all. So to see this here at CUNY, I can't think of anywhere else that I would want to continue my education.